Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to change language in Moviebox on iPhone, so let's start. If you are in your mobile phone, you can see that this is how it looks, your movie. Then you have to click here on this icon that shows you like subtitles type here, so you can select this one. Then here it appears the option audio and subtitles. Here the audio you have to select one. In case that the audio is in your language, select your language that is okay. So select one and then scroll down, and then you can here how you can select that. You can start using here the audio, and then you can start your listening to your language in your movie box. So that's the way to do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.